Okay, so I will cover in this video tutorial everything you need to know, all methods to install Windows 11 on unsupported computers. The computer that I'm going to use today is on the legacy mode. I'm going to show you how to bypass TPM 2.0, UEFI mode, and also I'm going to show you how to bypass processor requirements, and then you will be able to install Windows 11 on your computer. In the end of this video, you will see how to install this new update. Okay, so continue watching this video tutorial. Let's go directly to the point and install Windows 11 on unsupported computers. Computer is with unsupported processor A5 1650 V4. It's really good processor, server processor. I have 64 GB RAM here on this computer, and I'm on the Windows 10 Pro 22H2. Is the latest one because I did the update and everything, and is installed today. Okay, so as you know, my computer is Z440 HP, and then I will show you that my computer is not supported, but I will bypass everything today, even if you see errors during installation. So what I want to see if my computer meets the requirements, so I know that it doesn't meet requirements, then you see my processor is functioning. I already have TPM 2.0 installed in the BIOS, and I did another video tutorial for that, but I will bypass this requirement. You don't need to do anything about this, okay? But even if you wanted to enable it, then watch the next video. Okay, so the processor is not supported, okay? I will use the first and the easiest method for you guys to bypass the requirements. First of all, let's go and download Windows 11. We need to have the setup. Okay? Download Windows 11, latest one. So we are on 22H2, 23H2, not ready yet. Then we will be on the latest version right now. Select version, Windows 11 edition. Now I download. Here it is. I will choose English here, United States. Confirm. Then here it is, the setup. We'll download the setup with high-speed internet. So we have Windows 11 here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mount this disk right now. I'm trying to set up right now. You will see that we are not able to install Windows 11. Okay. Let me show you that error. Good. Next is checking for updates. Look. Checking for updates. If you don't want to check for updates during this installation, what you have to do, go and disable your internet. Look at this, guys. The processor is not supported in this version. Okay. So this PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements. Now what we gotta do is, we have to close. Let's try the bypasser. If you go in the link that you have in the description, then go and download the Windows 11 bypasser directly from here, then it will be the easiest method, first method that I will suggest to you, because the easiest one, you don't have to waste a lot of time. Before we download this bypasser, I'm going to show you how I create this bypasser, just to be honest and clear with you guys, okay? So here it is, author of creating this bypasser is here on GitHub, and then what I'm going to do, you will see this here, this script. Skip TPM check. I will copy all this script, this here. Then I will create a file here. I will bring the script here, okay? Save it for a moment. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this with name bypasser. We have to put the extension CMD. But before we put the extension CMD, we are not able to put the extension without doing something. Look at this. You can't change the file type. What we have to do, go my computer. You have to go on View, then Folder Options, then View again, then check this button, Hide Extensions for known file types, configure, apply. Now, you will be able to see the extensions. Look at this. The extension here is text file. I will remove the text file and type CMD, okay? Yes. If I run this bypasser script, I will be able to install Windows 11, okay? Just click on as administrator, then wait for 6 seconds and on pressing the key, And now you will see that I will be able to install Windows 11. Now what we're going to do, in fact, disk is already mounted. Let's go again here, because I mount this disk and it's here. Okay. Double click on this and then try to click yes here and see if we bypass the requirement. Look, install Windows Server. Now I change the name. To remove this button here, change house setup. Okay. In this link here, download updates, drives, and option features is recommended. I don't want it for the moment, but right now, okay? Because if you have slow internet, it will be problem for you during this installation. Then you will see a different kind of errors, and then I don't want you guys to see errors during this installation. So don't forget that click this note right now and click next. And now it's directly checking my PC. Then yes, you see now we are able to install Windows 11 on this unsupported computer, okay? Then you will see these three options. Then keep files and settings and apps. Keep personal file only. Then it will remove all your softwares. Careful. And keep nothing, it will remove everything. Data, folders, files, and everything. So if you see this, keep files and keep personal files. If I click now, keep files and settings and apps, then you will see that it's making sure you are ready to install. Then let's see the next message. So as you see, I'm ready to install now Windows 11 Pro and keep files and settings. And then click this button, install. I will install it. If you have again a problem and you don't see this window, get ready to install or installation interrupt, you see that error, no enough space, but you know that you have a lot of space in your C drive. So what you gotta do, if you see a folder here like this, Windows, Alt, what you gotta do is come here on the C, let's delete this Windows, the Alt. Yes, I'm saying when you are on the Windows 10, and your computer is not updated yet, Windows 11. Then another thing that you gotta do, if you see that error, no enough space, you have to go here on temp, search here on start temp, then delete temporary files, then check your Windows 10 for temporary files. Here on temporary files, remove these files, remove these temporary files, okay? Clean up your computer. I'm not going to remove anything because I need this now, but you just remove this file and start the installation. Again, from beginning, the method that I'm installing Windows 11. Other methods to install Windows 11 that is not recommended. I will show you right now how to do it like Microsoft will suggest. Then try to install, if you don't like to install it with Bypasser that I created, use this method, okay, no problem. Then try. If it doesn't work, use the first method that I did. Let me show you exactly what you got. So now let's remove this method. If you double click again on this bypasser, remove the bypasser from the system. Now let's try to do it like Microsoft is suggesting. Go to regedit. Then here it is. Okay. So here on regedit, we have to go and as we are here on HK local machine, setup, system, setup, more setup. Here we have to create a new key in 32-bit. Let's try. Here we use 1. Then let's check the PC now. See? It's very important to choose 32-bit. Okay? Then click accept. Make sure you are ready to install. So this is the easiest method. And if you don't want to use the bypasser that I created, then look at this. We see this message using this method. You have to click accept here. We are ready to install Windows 11 using this method. Okay? For change what to keep, I want all of this. Okay guys, and then click install. And then if you want this registry key, so I like to use this bypasser because it's easy for me and it's working well, okay? So let's use bypasser again. And let's go and install. Okay, I don't want to download any updates or just disconnect your internet, but it was easy. Accept, keep files and settings, and then click next. Then it will start installing and updating your Windows 10 Windows 11. Okay, you will see this message. Now click install, and the installation, it will start here. This computer will restart many times. Okay, here we are on Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, unsupported PC, guys. Let me go here on properties. So here we are on the latest version. Let's go Windows Update and see if we have any update for today. But I know that updates will work perfect. Yes. So Windows Intelligence Update completed, security, it's downloading all the updates. Let's say that Windows 11 is not performing well on your computer. So what you gotta do? Look at these guys. You see this folder Windows Old. When you are on Windows 11, don't delete it. If you are not satisfied with Windows 11, this is the Windows 10 that it was before. Now, if you are not satisfied, go to Settings and then search here, go back. And then go back to Windows 10, okay? Here it is. If you click that go back to Windows 10, with this button here, if I click it, I will go back on Windows 10. But if you delete this folder Windows.old, then you will see that go back button, it will be grayed out, it will be disabled, okay? So for more information about that, how to go back and see how it works, and see the next video tutorial that I did for this, okay? To go back on Windows 10, you have only 10 days. If you want to extend that 10 days, make it 1 month, see the next video tutorial that I did for that. How to extend 10 days. This link, it will be in the description also and in the end of the video, okay? So now, guys, is the moment to update the Windows 11 to the latest version from the Windows Update. Then on Windows Update, you will see this option here. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. If you click this, then you will see the update will list here. Check for updates. I'm on the latest version of Windows 11 and the newer build. If you see here on the Microsoft catalog, it will be this version here, KB5026446. This is the cumulative update preview version for Windows 11 that it will show up on M3 or 23H2. It's not yet the official or stable release, it's a preview mode in computer. So here I am on this computer. I will go to properties and then see and check which version do I have here. If I go here to updates, then you will see here, then when you do the checking for update, then you will see this cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 22H2, and this update here 6446 is available. I'm on the unsupported hardware, guys, okay? And what you're gonna do, just make this button here on and download and install. Get the latest update as soon as they are available. Just turn it on. Then this will start downloading this new update in the Insider program, okay? And now after you restart the computer, then you will see this version here. If you see this OS building version 1778 here, it means that you are on moment 3. So if you go on update area here, you will see that you are all up to date. Then if you see to update history, that this version, Momentum 3 update, it's done, it's already done, okay? On this unsupported hardware, you go on the system and you will see about, then this computer is the one that this processor is not supported, okay? If you have questions, if you have any problems, just write me a comment on the comment area. I hope that I explained this video very well today, and I took a lot of time to explain every detail and make sure that you install Windows 11. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.